Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make butter paneer masala. This is a really yummy and tasty recipe. Hope you guys will like it. For making butter paneer masala, we need 200 gram paneer, 1 onion, 2 tablespoon butter, 3 red chilies, 14 pieces of cashew nuts, big 4 tomatoes, and some dried fenugreek leaves, 1 inch ginger, 10 pieces of garlic, and some cream. Heat oil in a pan. Put garlic, ginger, cashew nuts, tomatoes, onions, everything inside it, and put little bit salt in it so it will increase the cooking process. Till and stir it. Let it cook for 5 minutes till the tomatoes becoming soft. As you see, tomatoes are becoming softer. So this is the time to turn up the gas, to turn up the flame, and let it cool down, and then we will make a paste of it. We should make first it cool down, then make a paste. If this is hot and we are grinding it, then it's dangerous. Heat some butter in a pan, as it is butter masala, so we need some butter. Then put little bit chili powder and dried kasturi leaves, dried fenugreek leaves. Then stir it. Then the paste we made out of all the ingredients, then we'll put it and stir it nicely. Let it cook for at least 20 minutes, and we need to stir it in between so that it will not stick to the bottom. Let it cook nicely. Do not forget to stir the gravy in between. Heat a pan, put some butter, some chili powder in it, and we will fry little, not deep fry, just little fry the paneer cubes so that the butter and salt and the chili powder, it will mix with the paneer and it will taste really nice in each bite of the paneer. As you see, it looks really good and the paneer is ready to use. If you don't like to fry the paneer also, that's fine, it will taste nice only. As you see, the gravy is ready. Now we are transferring the paneer pieces into the gravy. After transferring the paneer into the gravy, we will allow the gravy to sit in the flame, medium flame, for 2 to 5 minutes. As you see, the gravy looks good. We will put some cream into it. If cream is not available, we can put milk cream. I have used the milk cream only. Then it's ready. If your tomatoes are really tangy, then you can add a pinch of sugar in it. Otherwise, also it's fine. I didn't add any sugar and it tastes really nice. Then we are transferring into a bowl. As you see, the gravy looks really creamy and tasty. Color came really nice. Hope you guys will like this video. If you guys like it, then please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you so much.